Today I am going to show you the solution of Code Forces round 705 division 2 problem number A. So the problem name is anti-knapsack. Here we are given two integers n and k, and we have to find we have to choose maximum number of numbers from this 1 to n, and we have to make sure that there is no subset of sum equal to k. So we have to just print the subset that we are choosing from 1 to n and just print it. There is a problem. So let me show you the solution now. Okay, suppose here I am taking suppose n equal to 8 and k equal to 6. Suppose then what will be the sequence, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and if k is equal to 6, then what will happen that we have to make sure that the sum the elements which we will choose does not contain a subset of sum equal to 6. So that we have to find out. So we can clearly see that if we include the elements greater than 6, then that will be not form any subset that equal to sum equal to 6. So we can clearly include 7 and 8 in our solution. And if we break this set 1 to 8 in two subsets, suppose one is 7 and 8 and one is 1 2 3 4 5, then we definitely will include 7 and 8 in our solution. And if we check that 1 2 3 4 5, so we have to decide whether we can include it or not. So definitely we cannot include 6 also. 6 is out of the solution. 6 cannot be the solution, cannot contain the solution set. So that is clear, because if we take 6 alone, then sum will be 6. So we cannot include k in our solution. So let us investigate more properties on 1 2 3 4 5, what we can do with it. So if we can observe that if we take 1 and 5, then sum will be 6, or 2 or 4, then sum will be 6. So clearly what we can do, we can exclude these elements, these two elements, then and if we take this 3 4 5, then our sum will be not 6. Rather, in other words, if we say that suppose we are taking one element a which is greater than equal to k by 2, and another element which is greater than or equal to k by 2, and a not equal to b, then we can say a plus b is always greater than k, or we can, in other words, we can say a plus b is not equal to k. So that is the observation we can do. So if we exclude this element, and if we take a greater than equal to k by 2 always, that is 3 4 5, if we take these elements, and if we take the sum of two distinct elements from the here, so their sum will always be greater than k, or we can say not equal to k. So that is only thing we have to implement. Now I will implement this. So I have to take two integers and input them. Then I will just do one thing. Okay, now I will determine the size is nothing but I will take the element greater than 6, so that will be nothing but k minus n minus k elements. Okay, n minus k element is 7 and 8, and if we include these elements, then this will be nothing but n minus k plus 1 by 2. I guess this is right. K plus 1 by 2 is nothing but this one, k plus 1 by 2 is 6 by 6 3, so this is k plus 1 by 2, and this is okay, this will be k only. Yes, now it is correct, because 6 is k, so this will okay, I think it is -1 because we are not including 6. 6 is not a solution, I have said. So this will be the size. Size means the solution size, I am telling. Okay, now I will print the numbers in the solution. So I will do, I will just iterate from k plus 1 by 2 to k. What I am printing here, I am printing the numbers, this 3 4 5, these numbers, that is 3 is k plus 1 by 2, and then I am going to the next number and then this number. So I will just print I, and in and later in the second part what we can do, so now I am printing this 7 and 8, this one, that is from k to this one. Difference will be k plus 1. So now let us run the solution now. So I will copy this input, just run it. Okay, I have to print slash in here. I have to print the size. And then I have to print a new line here also. Now the format is correct. So I'm getting -1 here. Okay, let me see. So I think this is creating problem. Now the solution is correct. 213 32450 213 34520. So let us see the solution and submit it. So this is the code only, so let us submit it. So you can see this is accepted. So what I will do, I will give this link in the description, the link of this code in the description, and also the link of the problem in the description, so you can solve it. Thank you for watching this video. I will also solve these problems, rest remaining problems B, C, D, E, F up to F I will solve, and I will post the videos for the same. So please subscribe my channel to get updated on Codeforces problem regularly. Thank you for watching.